Good afternoon, welcome to this video. Now today we're down at Westwood. Now it's fairly windy. I've just had the wind meter out and it's on average 8.9 mile an hour. Well, we're going to send the drone up, which is the DJI Air 3S, and I know flying in this wind it's nothing for it. So we'll just see how it performs and see how we go on. Let's get on with it. Okay, so now we're not connected to the aircraft yet. So if we just place it down there, well, right, now we're connected to the aircraft now.
Updated.
And let's see what happens.
Take off. Home point updated.
Well, we're up at 3 meters at the moment. Moving about a bit, but on the controller it's still steady as a rock. So we'll press the record button and we'll bring that one down. We'll record the screen as well. So, here we go. "20 meters and we're still solid as a rock. It's not quite blowing as what I thought it might have been down here. It keeps gusting, but this wind is nothing for this drone. So we'll send her a bit higher up. "35 meters. Still solid. "50 meters, Still no strong wind warning yet. So we'll have a pan round while we're up that far and we'll have a look round. Right, I'll try hitting the record button this time. So, it's gusting a bit every now and then, but we've had the drone up to 60 metres, we've flown it around and no issues whatsoever. No strong wind warnings up at 60 metres. Brought it down to about 5 metres where she's hovering. It's just a little bit unstable. But the gimbal, absolutely spot on. So we've taken a few pictures up at 60 metres. We've tried a few of the features, the orbiting, the boomerang, worked well, absolutely spot on. Can't fault it. And we even tried the return to home, which was absolutely spot on. And she's landed, or it's landed, should I say, within 6 inches of where it took off. So, well pleased with strong winds. And I did have the wind meter up earlier on, but that was only, at the time, that was only going about 8.9 I think it was. But these were flying up to about 26, 28 mile an hour. So, well pleased with that. Gives a bit more scope for going out in. That was one of the reasons I bought this bigger drone, to fly it in stronger winds. Because my other one, which is the Mini 3 Pro, it'll only fly into about 18, 20 mile an hour winds. Rocks about, a bit uneven in winds like this. But I can fly that one where I can't fly this one. So, if you like the video, give it the thumbs up, comments below, and please hit the subscribe button. Don't cost you anything, don't cost me, and I don't make now, as I keep saying, I just do these for fun. So, until the next time, stay safe, bye for now.